Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, January 22nd, 2026. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how QuickSilver helps regular people own real silver. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and I have a real passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, a lot of people think that you have to be wealthy, or maybe they don't know where to start. They get confused when it comes to, stacking silver and things like that. But the truth of it is that anybody can get involved in stacking silver. It's just not talked about much. Precious metals are not talked about very often. All right, especially when it comes to investments and things like that. I don't know why, but I heard that less than 3% of the population actually have precious metals. I don't know if that's true or not. I haven't looked into that yet. I just heard that. But I can tell you that with QuickSilver, they make it super easy for anybody to start stacking silver. And what they do is they have, and what sets them apart really from other online precious metal dealers, is that they allow you to set up an auto wealth shipment. Okay, so that every month you can have silver and gold, if you prefer that, whatever you want, sent to your doorstep on autopilot. So you can set up your monthly subscription, pick out whatever you want to, and have it sent to your doorstep every month. Now the price will fluctuate depending on the market, which is normal, but that's how you can stack. You can start getting involved in silver, and you don't have to overcomplicate things or, worry about, this is a real company, all right? This isn't some fly-by-night outfit. They've been in business since 2019, and they buy all of their product straight from the mint, right? So there's no third-party involvement or anything like that. All orders are shipped with tracking and insurance. They're all packaged under surveillance. So you don't have to worry about anything, all right? It's 100% legit opportunity, a legit company, and, they're all in the up and up. The owners are transparent, and, I've never had any issues with it. Now, the next cool thing that they do is they allow you to share their business with other people and earn up to 7 different ways, which is what I do. You can become a wealth ambassador. $9.97 a month, plus your auto shipment. You can have your own precious metals business that when you share with others and they purchase from you, or they become a wealth ambassador, you earn commissions, and you can get paid up to 7 different ways. All right. And just before I go any further, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a silver expert. I'm not telling you how to invest or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you what has worked for me and what I'm doing right now to stack more silver. All right, it's totally dependent on your work ethic. I can't guarantee you'll make any money. You have to put in the work and show up every day and take action and treat it like a business. But with that being said, that is what I'm doing. And the cool part about that is I'm earning commissions, and they will let you use your commissions to purchase more silver and gold. All right, I focus 95% on silver. I'm not huge into gold. Nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's a lot more expensive, and right now I think silver is more in demand than ever before, and I think that it's for me anyway, it's smarter to put my money into silver. But that's just me. A lot of people stack gold. There's nothing wrong with either way, whatever you decide to do. But the company will allow you to earn commissions and then go ahead and use those commissions to buy more silver. So basically all of my silver that I'm stacking, I'm getting for free based on my commissions, because I haven't taken any withdrawals from my commissions. I just put it right back in, and I reinvest it back into more silver. All right. And then if you ever need to liquidate it, the company will buy it back from you. All right. So you don't have to worry about going to pawn shops or coin shops or worrying about selling it. If you ever had to. I'm buying it and holding it. I hope I never have to sell it. That's not my plan. But if for some reason you ever needed the cash for it, they'll sell it. They'll buy it back from you. Okay. Which is a great benefit. And And then on top of all that, which is why I chose QuickSilver, is they take part of their profits every month and they send it over to Feed My Starving Children, which helps feed starving children and families all across the globe. So you're doing charitable work, you know, you're doing something that's awesome. You're helping feeding starving children here in America and all around the globe. With every time you purchase a coin, or every time you refer someone to the program who purchases a coin, you're helping to feed starving children, which is just, it's so awesome in my book, right? So it's, you know, stacking silver can be for anybody. Like I said, I heard less than 3% of the population actually stack precious metals. I don't know if that's true or not. If you know, let me know down in the comments. I have to look that up. But I know that it's not talked about very much. And QuickSilver makes it affordable for everybody. You know, we have fractional silver. We have 1 ounce coins. You know, there's something there for everybody. There's something there for everybody and everybody's budget. So it's built for everyday people, you know, not for Wall Street. And, you know, just check it out. We even give you a free bar, a free silver bar just for checking it out. All right. So you can go to freesilverbar.com, check out QuickSilver, our opportunity. You pay a nominal shipping fee. It's $2.47 to have the 1 gram silver bar sent to you. And, you know, that'll help jumpstart your silver stacking journey. Okay. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification button so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.